Hello Tech Explorers, want to create a group in Telegram? It's super easy and I'll show you how in just few quick steps. Let's go. First, open the Telegram app and tap on the three lines at the top left corner. Here, you will see an option for new group. Tap on it. Now, give your group a name, then tap next. Choose the contacts you want to add to the group. Select as many as you like. Once you are done, tap create and boom, your group is ready to go. How many Telegram groups are you in? Let me know in the comments below. And that's it. You have successfully created a Telegram group. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.